One of the most sought-after vehicles, Honda HR-V instantly became a sensation after its debut in 2013. The vehicle became one of the consumer favorites in several months due to its highly reasonable price and easy driving. After a decade, the company has revealed the all-new third generation of Honda HR-V. The 2023 Honda HR-V is highly anticipated in the market, and enthusiasts can't wait to get their hands on it. The Honda HR-V would be available for customers in 3 trims. The base version of the Honda HR-V starts at $23,650. There are a lot of changes in this model compared to its predecessors, leaving the enthusiasts anxious. This model has been made very delicately on the platform of the Honda Civic. The drive of the veteran SUV has improved drastically, making your drive more pleasurable. Here are the 10 most dominant things that are a must to know if you plan on buying a 2023 Honda HR-V. Much thought has been given to the shape and making of the Honda HR-V. The entry height of the vehicle is just perfect, and you don't have to hop on the car or dive into it. The seating is quite comfortable, with power seats installed and a heating system. The seat covers are made of leather with premium EXL finishing. The ergonomic seats combined with the perfect leg spacing make your drive pleasing. The rear seats are no exception. The vehicle's wheelbase is designed to provide the rear seats with adequate leg room. These seats also focus significantly on ergonomics and comfort and support the underthighs greatly. One of the best features of this vehicle is the cargo space offered. This SUV offers a storage capacity of 24.5 cubic feet, making it one of the biggest improvements in the vehicle. The fuel average of any crossover SUV is one of the deciding factors in whether to buy the vehicle or not. The compact body of this crossover SUV allows it to provide excellent fuel economy. The fuel average offered by the Honda HR-V is no less than that of any of its rivals. With many additions to the vehicle, Honda has managed to retain the value of fuel consumption. The car will provide a mileage of 26 miles per gallon in the city and 23 miles per gallon on the highways in the front-wheel drive vehicles. In all-wheel drive vehicles, you get a mileage of 26 miles per gallon in the city and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. The drive offered by the Honda HR-V has been made very comfortable without losing the touch of the signature Honda drive. The driving dynamics of this vehicle resemble that of the Civic, majorly because it is also built on the Honda's small car platform. The road grip of this vehicle is excellent, and you can turn in speed and keep the car under your control. The steering is very accurate and sharp. Despite all these features, it does not beat the CX-30 as the most fun SUV to drive. The 1.8-liter inline-4 engine has been replaced with a 2.0-liter naturally aspirated inline-4 engine in the Honda HR-V. This engine is the same as the one used in the Civic and is very smooth and swift. This engine can produce 158 horsepower and a torque of 138 pound-feet. This vehicle can reach 0 to 60 miles per hour in only 10 seconds because of these features. Despite this excellent performance improvement, this vehicle's acceleration time has elongated. Regarding the assisting features, Honda never misses a single stone unturned to make driving as easy as possible. This vehicle has various features, including lane departure warning, automated braking, lane keeping assistance, and adaptive cruise control. The added safety offered by the Honda HR-V makes this vehicle perfect for your family. Along with the advanced technology, this SUV ensures that all the basic safety features are also covered. As this vehicle is made on the same platform as the Civic, it is safe to assume that it will provide excellent safety and will also do good regarding rating by National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. Four-wheel disc brakes are used to stop the Honda HR-V with the front and rear rotors of 12.3-inch and 12.2, respectively. The other features include automated emergency brakes, ABS, vented front disc, brake assist, hill hold, and decent controls. The brakes of this vehicle have been tested and proved to control almost every situation. The pedal felt strong enough, and the feedback was more than enough. Additionally, the brakes did not feel stuck at any moment. The Honda HR-V is available in more than 7 color palettes, and the vehicle's exterior looks inspired by other Honda vehicles. The car features full LED headlamps and LED DRLs, and the grille is gloss black with more height and width. This makes the vehicle's front more attractive and mature than the previous generation. The vehicle has an elongated wheelbase based on the Civic's platform, giving it a premium look. The darkened pillars, 18-inch breakups, and the slick black coatings are also features gained based on the Civic's platform. The rear part of the vehicle consists of a silver lower bumper, LED backlights, and an integrated spoiler. The well-thought exterior and the 2.0-liter engine of the Honda HR-V make it the ideal vehicle for cities. This vehicle performs exceptionally in heavy traffic as the car's engine is tuned to drive at low speeds. The smooth transmission of the car provides you with hassle-free driving even in the jam of traffic. The vehicle features an infotainment system of 7 and 9 inches. These systems include all the entertainment and connectivity features. It also features Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth, Android Auto, and Sirius XM radio. You can also operate it with voice recognition. Anyone can access the intuitive infotainment system without even having to learn. However, the 9-inch screen that comes with the EXL trim is better as it has better graphics and extra size. This infotainment system also features wireless charging, and the audio configuration differs in all the trims. If you note the refinement of the Honda HR-V, you will notice that in this model, the refinement exceeds quite a lot. Compared to the previous versions, this model's 2.0-liter engine and noise cancellation provide you with a pristine driving quality. You would not hear the engine rumbling or the vibrations when the vehicle is below 5,000 revolutions per minute. However, as the car closes the threshold of 5,000 revolutions per minute, the engine and the noise between road and tires start to be heard. This is why the Honda HR-V could not take the CX-30's throne of the most refined subcompact SUV.